tutorials, and I thought I would show you 3 really easy hairstyles that are cute and easy to do. You don't need any crazy techniques, and they're perfect for back to school. Whether you're going back to school in person or online, there's something here for you. Okay, so first I'm starting off with my hair down. So this is what my hair looks like. If you guys noticed, I recently got my hair redone. I don't know about you, but every time I get my hair redone, I feel the need to like up the hair care game and like up the kind of love I give my hair. So I went back to Functional Beauty to get my own customizable shampoo and conditioner. So I've been using their purple shampoo since April. Honestly, didn't expect it, but it made my hair feel so soft, and I noticed less breakage too. So I want to thank Functional Beauty for sponsoring today's video, and here is how you can get started on your customizable shampoo. So first you fill out a 2-minute quiz like your hair type, hair goals, what color and fragrance you want your bottles to have. Because I just got my hair recolored, I chose strengthening, deep condition, and color protection. So they also have no parabens, sulfates, GMOs, or toxins. They are also 100% vegan and cruelty free. And they recently released the world's first customizable body care. So all you need to do is take a 1-minute quiz to customize your own body wash and body lotion to fit your own needs. Okay, so for color this time around, I chose pink because pink is like my all-time favorite color, in case you haven't noticed. And for fragrance, I chose Cherry Blossom, which honestly smells like such a dream. And you can even customize your own name on the bottle. So for mine, it says Function of Karina. Check out the link below in the description box to get 20% off your first order. Let's get into the hair tutorial. Okay, so the first hairstyle is actually really easy. All you need are elastic bands and your hand, I guess. What you would need to do is part your hair in the middle or the side. I like to leave a little bit of like bangs near the front to like frame my face. You don't have to, that's just how I always do my hair. So I take this portion, just like a little bit, maybe like this much off the top of my hair like this, and I just start braiding. By the way, you can do whatever braid you want. You can do like fishtail, you can do Dutch. So braid it all the way down until you can't anymore, and then you're gonna secure it with an elastic. You can take whatever hair elastic you have. I just have one of those like transparent ones. I feel like it's the best for like not seeing it. Oh my god! I need to work on my obviousness. Ta-da! Okay, so this is what it looks like on one side. So now we're gonna move on to the other side. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like with 2 braids on both sides, and I did this hairstyle for a few of my try on haul videos. Comment down below if you remember which video I did this hairstyle for, but this hairstyle basically reminds me of Rose's new hairstyle. Speaking of Blackpink, oh my god, who's excited for their new single coming out in August? I am so excited. I think they're gonna have a collab with Ariana. Okay, so for the second hairstyle, all we're gonna do is build on to what we already have. So what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of hair in front of the braid like this. You can eyeball it, totally doesn't really matter, and take a little bit of hair that's after the braids. So maybe something like this. The art to this is it doesn't have to be precise. Honestly, no one's gonna see it after you've tied it together. So what you want to do is take these 2 stretches, put them together, and make sure you brush them so you know nothing's like flying out. So the height is really up to you, but this is how I like it, so I'm just gonna tie it. Make sure you don't tie it too close to your scalp at first, and I'll show you why in a second. This is what we have right now. So you have a little like ponytail with the braid poking through underneath, and then what you want to do is you want to create a little hole like this, and then push this part into the hole like this, and then just pull it through. And you want to be really careful with this part because you can really snag your hair like this. Pulling it a little bit with your hand, a little bit at a time. Don't overdo it because you don't want to have like, I don't know, like massive bulges out of your head. Just show you the finished results for one side. So you have the braid that we just did on hairstyle number 1, poking through in between this little, I don't know what you call this, like side ponytail thing. And from the front, you can still see the braid coming down. It's not totally covered by this ponytail, but because we did the trick of taking the hair from 2 sides of the braid and forming it. So this is what it looks like on one side. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Ta-da! This is what it looks like with both sides done. And yeah, I have also used this hairstyle in a couple of my videos too. So some of you guys might recognize this hairstyle. It's actually really simple. And it's perfect if you're going to like Zoom University, or you have to show your face, or even if you're going to be hairstyle once in a while, you know? Okay, so for the third hairstyle, it's actually a build up on this existing hairstyle because we don't waste no effort here, okay girls? So all you need are a handful of elastic bands. This is actually really simple, you guys. All you need is to split your hair down the middle from the back, and what you want to do is you want to tie a pigtail here. And honestly guys, you can just stop here because I think this looks pretty cute on its own. But I usually just like pull apart this area to give it more volume, and because we have that little braid here, we want it to show a little bit. So you just need to like pull it apart a little bit just to fluff it up. So okay, this is gonna be our starting base for the bubble braid. And what you wanna do is take an elastic and then maybe put it like 3 to 4 inches lower like this. You just wanna repeat it until you're pretty much done with the length of your pigtail. So I think because my hair comes down to here, I'm just gonna do 3. If your hair is shorter or longer, you can feel free to do more or less. Okay, so now you have your pigtail with all the elastics in, because this looks kind of sad, you guys. So I'm just gonna go in and fluff each individual bubble. Just like pull it apart. There's really no strategy here, guys, just pull it apart. So this is the part where you can kind of like eyeball it and see how poofy you want the braids to be. Okay, so this is what it looks like with 2 sides done. And now you just wanna do any like last minute fixes, like fluffing up the hair on the top, because sometimes this part might be deflated by the time you fluff up this area. So yes, I hope you like this easy tutorial on these 3 back to school hairstyles. I think it's definitely easy to do. You don't need any like crazy techniques. And what I love most about it is that you can build upon the previous base that you have created on your hair, so you don't have to like waste any effort. And like Monday you can do the first one, Tuesday you can do the second one, Wednesday you can do the third one without having to wash your hair in between the days. Let me know which one is your favorite, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I love you all. Mwah.